Today's word is shingle. It means a mass of small, rounded pebbles on a beach. A thin, flat tile used for covering roofs or walls. A small signboard, especially one announcing a professional practice. Here are two examples using this word. We walked barefoot along the shingle, listening to the sound of the waves. After the storm, several roof shingles were torn off and needed to be replaced. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are pebbles, tile, signboard. Antonyms are boulder, slab, blank wall. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.